Humble media friends, nirok tini payment bagai. Sung TSF ninggu sini press conference asok ninggu. Ang nirok ni TSF ni General Secretary Hamalu an logo tong sini Vice President Pintu, sini Chief Organizing Secretary Bibas, te sini Assistant Finance Secretary Somor, ani yaga tong sini Joint Secretary Reno, te sini Assist Central Leaders, Divisional Leaders, jotno tongo. Tini jeng press conference asok manik omana nirok sigur jeng TSF kedungma salrogo sini movement temano te Roman script nate jeng khai pai to 2020 ni jeng kisa governor ni jeng memorandum roga jeng nirok nukhana aman porega jeng strida khoka board by malaika jeng memorandum to ya paring tong haibana temanuk jaka government rok assure khai kaje borok sungno ronai Roman script by biset khai jang nai te Bengali script biset khai jang nai sung amono goseng na ka haibana sung tak tumanu kha thangnai 17 March kok rok paper CBS ni tongmani aro Bengali script by set khai jang question paper kaise board exam se yak by suija question paper baksa hoi man ne rok tangai CBS ini simi khorang tisa CBS ini guardian student rok samai contact khai ka sung borno thang visit khai TBS ini sung khorang sok khale hai bana sung boron wai sung khorang tisa ito amo sung public ma busine tabo sung kabang memorandum roka kabang ma leaders kabang political party bai sung malai sung akai sung TSF omana sung decision khai ka sung tabo kebo ai malai liya borok sungai phai ma malai nai sini students rok ni future thangja goi tongo sung ma busi nai sung thangja ga khorang mati sanai ang public na appeal khai nai especially students sung sigi ma kha khna class 12 ni CBSE board exam ko group par nga thangi tong sung niro ni support na guardians rok niro ni support na nirok support khaya ke chini movement success ngla sung jotono no koi nai students guardian public political party NGOs social organization student organization tabok te kaisa omo kok brok speaker on ismi fight ya I will invite even non kok brok speakers omo nirok no fight nirok mabusi nai sung kok brok saya sung tangai thane khongke any movement success ngla thangnai goro sini traffic police harassment khaijaka boto kobrok sanaya haibano khaijaka blai harassment amo sung ma busine boni bagai TSF sung jebor pana sini jeb phan tongsa sung khaini tong thangnai strike khaibro bo sing leaders orjo to na jotoni case masaja kodo thangma tongo sung sini bai khaya guardian rok ma busi nai sung nirong ni busa nirong ni churai nirong ni jati gusin bai khai to and our future generation thanai class 10 exam ronai ro borok fail singnai ni baksa saka pasi pore maya bai ga suinai ba borono roman script bai phrangja kha government assure khai ka ba borbo waso kha yes roman script phrangpano question paper roman script bai dang nai tabok jeng appeal khai nai TSF ready tongo TSF baskai hingani ready tongo nirok logade tong amo sita question public student logade tong boni bagai TSF khna 24 March 2025 jeng indefinite strike dakho goi tongo sini TSF dengai sung jota political party jota organization jota student organization joto borok nirong na appeal khainai of movement no success khagen bagai sung nogo thugoi tongoi simi TSF no simi nai sagai of movement success ngla sung vision of ready khainai haifana nirong ni support karika movement bagai success nai my dear student you should understand nirong bai sung fight khai tong sung case masai tong nirong kirigai nogo tong tong khang of movement success ngla guardian rok ma businai sung sika khana 21st March kokor paper 12 ni nga thangi tong Baksa hongai mana exam bahai ke ronai tarodi sung reschedule khai ronai sung pal ke tu prano hol musung ma khang ke tangai government kiriang nai ba sung TSF simi khorang tisane haya niro public om ma busina students niro dress kai no khadi sung loge tongo niro ma busina sung niro ni bagai sung je khai ma saksi ni phan tong sak sung khai ne tong public rock especially we should understand tumang gui dong sini movement tangi success nya 50 years na tangai sung ma busina bone bagai sung joto organization joto student you may be from different community different tribe khanani all movement of participate khagen bai sung koi nai te government of India government of Tripura te both nirok directly sung by contact ma khai nai you may think we are very much light tabo sini logo students tongo guardian tongo public tongo government of Tripura so amon one khai nirok problem solve khai musu khangke sung by direct contact khai di sung ready ni tongo talk ni bagai haibana our students should not be played again language atoi question paper subject atoi sini student atoi politics ta khai chak sini student ni future manago ta thang nei chung naige bon bagai sung TSF sung sring tongmalia sini student ni dukh khono goi chung ma ba sapika sung appeal khai nai I appeal all the communities all the political organization NGO social organization to be part of this movement hambai
khana bor agot laro khani de khana to assembly bo cholo na yo
chung statewide ne to process ganang ni sung strike da khaba sung public no amon appeal khai nai nirok ni jaga wono tak highway kabang ma tong aro jaga wono ka sodi sung kha khai public rock thang pai hasal tong problem happen usok zorala sung khai mano je jaga ni national highway gana aro no ka sodi hasal khai yogo aro no ka sodi sung om dai ke khwang ti sakang ke sung kha khai ge sini demand fulfilling nai